This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday. I hope everyone's had a great weekend, ready for a great week. Give me a minute here. I got a little discombobulated, which is normal. So, yeah. Okay. And what do I need to do? Here we go. Sorry, got a little bit behind. Then we'll check the markets. I'll get ready to trade. All right, there we go. Anywho, so market to market. We've been rising up all night. Rising up. 51.87 for the low. 52.21 for the high. So that's a big range. 13 and 21. 34-point range on ES. And then Q 62. The high just hit 269. So over 200 points of range and almost straight up. Copper having a good day. Look at that, moving up higher since I moved those yellow lines. Gold rising up from its lows there, about 15-point range. Oops. Actually, this accidentally just closed. Gold. Crap. That's the right chart. Meanwhile, while it's doing that, Alter Bond, yeah, a little more than a point, maybe about 3/4 of a point range. Crude oil, still above 81. Looks like we have about a point range there. Natural gas just fell hard. Okay, there's our gold back. Put that back where it belongs. Yay. So, and Bitcoin, big drop over the weekend, down to 68K. That's where he sits down there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. And we can see the unrelentless move up here, just continuing to rise. Pulls back just a tad there, but still trying to push. Down. How's everybody on this Monday morning? Chilly Monday morning. Got below freezing here last night. Watching the market. Continuing to push up here. Kind of crushing the Russell. I want a good view of the NQ. Kind of sideways here. Wait for our next move, or our first move early of the day. Am I logged in? That's a good question. No, I'm not. I knew I was forgetting something. Wait, what? Pulling back here a little bit. Unusual for it to be this quiet for the first 10 minutes. All right, feel free to say hello in the chat. I don't bite on Mondays. Pushing up again. We're kind of sideways here at 18,275. ES at 52.24. NQ, and I mean YM 39,247. Hey Chris, good morning. Sorry, I had my chat below where I couldn't see it. How are you doing? What's the all-time high? Still a ways to go before that. Okay. Really stuck in the range for the last 10 minutes or so. High 279, a low of 271. So an 8-point range here over the last 10. And as I say that, it breaks that range. New high day 281.50. News this morning, not much. Not much on the agenda this morning. Canadian PPI coming up at 8:30 and US NAHB housing market index at 10. So we continue to rise today. That's a great question. Hanging here at 18,283. Still hanging, not moving fast at all. Could see some Monday chop. It is FOMC. Okay, we reconnect it right away. Good. If you see any swirling, hit your live button. Internet hasn't done that in a while. Morning, Crypticon. Hadn't seen you in a couple days. How you doing? Yeah. All right. Well, have a nice nap, Crypt. We hit a high of 285, down about 5 points. Crypticon, no big news today. Canadian PPI and a housing market index at 10. Hey, JC, how you doing? How is your social media fast? We definitely missed you here at MightyOxTrading. That's awesome. I'm doing good. Nice move down there. Hitting the band. Uh, yes and no. Some days were great, some days were bad, but uh, I'm like $300 away from passing a Topstep account. Right now, I'm on the Blue Sky competition account, just messing around basically. I know I'm not going to win. Boom. Yeah, it's part of the plan, yes. Though I will say that getting that last little bit's proven to be daunting. I ended both Thursday and Friday 150 away. On Friday, I started the day 150 away and ended up going down to where I was almost 800 away. Taking that one off the table there. Uh, about 3 points there on 5 contracts. Uh, Ended up being about 800 away and then battling back to where I finished again at 150 away. So that last little bit has proved daunting. Morning, Speed Racer. How was the weekend? Ooh, nice bounce. Got out where I got out while the gotten was gotten. Whatever I'm trying to say. Slow Monday here so far. Uh, I said, yeah, that's the plan is to start trading get second funded accounts. I have 3 other accounts right now. Besides, I have 5 total companies right now going: Funded Futures Network, Blue Sky, Bulenox, and then Apex is funded and Topstep's close to funded. So, but yeah, if when I get Topstep funded here, it's gonna be a priority of trading it. Just trying to push back down. The purple candle is above my signal line, which is why I did not take that there. Yeah, what I'll do, JC, is because I have 5 Topstep X accounts available to me. I've only activated one, so only started one so far, I should say. But I got 4 more where I can get it at the $4.50 price. If I pass this, then I'll start 2 more evals and just copy trade them with the funded account. Hey, Rod, test out the Topstep X copy trader. How was the weekend, Rod? Oh, flu not good. Actually, you said you weren't feeling well that day that you had the bad trading day. Understandable. No one likes being sick. Trying to pop back up again. See it's come up, up, pull down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Hey, neither of our G's are here. G-Man or Mr. G. John DeFore should be returning today as well. Nice little pop up, back up to 280. Nice rise back up. And new high day. 289. And back down. Whoosh. Oh, that must have been on Canadian CPI. I didn't think Canadian CPI would cause that kind of reaction. I thought it was Canadian CPI. Canadian PPI, I'm sorry, not CPI, PPI, 0.7. They expected 0.02, so that came in really hot. Kind of sitting here at 18,274. Dow's fallen. little bounce, a little bounce, maybe a bigger bounce than little. Coming back down. So you don't see me on the Topstep X. I've placed 2 trades on it this morning so far. It's giving me terrible lag. It's taking 3 to 4 seconds to place a trade on a market order. Okay, it's got another win on Topstep X though. Going for short, quick wins. And I'm now $291.40 away from goal there. It's showing me terrible ping on Topstep X right now. There, now it's got better. What's showing me a 1600 ping? Oh my god. I have to keep an eye on that. I got out, good spot too. Pop back up. So Topstep X. Ooh, wow, that was a big pop. I wasn't ready for it. But Topstep X does have some issues yet. Might be me. Maybe my internet is having issues. Let me go run a speed test. I did drop internet, and I am showing some lag on Topstep X, so I was blaming the system. So, but maybe it's me. Let me look at my speed test. Anyone else? Am I cutting out with anybody else? Rod or Chris or Speed Racer? So right now my internet speed's doing all right. Like I say, yeah, Topstep X was saying I had a high ping time. So I don't know. Can you hear me okay now, JC? Everything okay? Huh. So we're getting sideways at 275. Gold's heading up. Crude's heading down. Treasuries are heading down. Or the ultra bonds, I guess I should say. You know, today is the first day I've had trouble with it, Rod. Before today, I even said it on the Discord yesterday. I felt like it was the fastest response time of any of the platforms. So I'm not sure what's going on today. Theoretically, it should be faster because it's direct connection to the CME. But I don't know. I mean, they definitely need to make some improvements to it, not just if it's laggy, but need ATMs and stuff. It's a master for the account. So here, let me show you. So this is Topstep X. There's no individual you can't set like a 5 point stop, 5 point target for each trade or whatever. You go in here and you set a maximum risk and profit. So like you can see right now it's set 160, 100. So obviously if I go in on one trade, I mean that's 8 points, 5 points. But if I mean one contract, I'm sorry, 8 points, 5 points. But if I do two contracts with that, then it's gonna look for 4 points and 2.5 points, etc. So if you want to increase contracts, you got to go in here and increase this, or else it's gonna go for you give yourself a really short stop and really short target, especially go up all the way to 5. So it's stupid in that way because if you're one of those people that like to you know depending on your setup do one contract versus 3 versus 5 whatever you got to do that. Otherwise, I mean, you can just adjust it once it's placed. But yeah, I prefer the ATMs like uh, yeah, NinjaTrader has. Oh, now see, there it goes again. Look at that. Well, no. See, if you look up here, this is your ping time. If you can see that up there. And just as I was going off, it shot up to like 2,000. Right now it's good. 55, 50, 49. It just shot up to like 2,000 there for a second. Well, I mean, if you know what you want, Rod, and you use the same amount of contracts, you're fine. So if you want 10 ticks, you just you put in what is 10 ticks, $50 per contract if you know that's what you want into that master setting. But yeah, I mean they say ATMs are coming. This is not ready for prime time yet, in my opinion. But yet, if I pass it, it'd be the first time I've ever passed the Topstep account, and it'd be with Topstep X. I guess my disappointment with Topstep X is the fact that, I mean, people have been getting this now since, I forget, it's been like 4 or 5 months now. And the fact that these other improvements haven't already been done. I mean, I know coding isn't overnight, but still, it just seems like they rushed, either rushed it or they're just it's not being worked on fast enough to get in some basic things that just aren't there. Yeah, there you go. I mean, right now the big advantage of Top Step X is the fact that you can get accounts for $4.50. You know, and I'm sure a lot of people have. As a matter of fact, they had some billing issues with that last week, and they just renewed everybody free. Apparently, even people that had blown Top Step X accounts. Yeah, Ultra Bond moving down pretty fast there. Now, how you know we're slow in NQ? The frickin' Bollinger Bands are only 8 points apart. Okay, I just heard. I know IMAD had his all his because he had blown his and he had no. He wasn't even playing. He I guess he even canceled them and they rose from the dead. 45 minutes till the bell. Chopping around. My mama told me we're gonna chop around. Huh. Thought John DeFore would stop in by now. Oh, there he is. I missed John DeFore. Sorry about that. Good morning, John. How was vacation? Sorry I missed you there. Did you get to see a Tigers game? Trying to grind back up here. Our high is 89. We're at 76. Awesome. slow grind back up. Excellent, John. Ooh, quick whip down. Right, quick. I mean, it's a whole 3 points, but yeah. Did you miss trading, John? Wow. Little bounce. Ooh, wow. So that's a little whip down and right back up. So how many emails are you gonna have at work? Fun, fun. So we're seeing Monday morning chop. It's an FOMC week as well. I would just delete them all and blame IT. Say I don't know what happened, but they just all disappeared. Not really. Uh, just kind of playing out the spring games. Nothing bad's happened. Nothing's great's happened. Trying to figure out if Rojas is going to hit enough to make the major league roster. Yeah, John. June swoon. Nice move down here. You've seen this nice move up all night long. It's pulling back just a tad now. It hit a high 289, back down to 270. Ultra Von Nulo day. Gold. Wait, it's platinum. Gold. Morning, G-Man. How are you today? David, yes, I did, and I have that. I have the 30-second chart up right now. I got to see whether or not I can keep up with it in real time. It averages with my two main strategies. It averages like 20 entries an hour. It's popping up, though there hasn't not been that many this morning. This morning's been kind of slow. How slow can we go? It's trying to push up now. How was the weekend, G-Man? Struggling here. Does not look like it wants to go higher. Can it take higher? And right back down. Bouncing. And I try again. At 1 minute before the top of the, top of the hour, or actually 10 seconds before the top of the hour. Ooh, look at that push up. So I didn't take that blue candle because of the top of the hour push we often see at 9, and I should have. A nice little trade. Still pushing up. 289s are high. We're at 283. Nice push. There's 288 half. Trying to get new high. 289 was the high. Yeah. Pushing down. Purple candle. We're short. Yeah, I saw that. I saw some people didn't really like the return that they got either. Back to my entry. Then we're back red. The purple candle trying to form. Come on down, baby. We're just looking for 5 points here. ATR is still only 3.5. That is amazing how both Chicago teams can seem so inept. Like third biggest market in the country, and they can't keep it. I mean, the Cubs did okay, for a couple of years there, but and back to my wow. So I couldn't get the 5. It's back up now. I'm red. Blue candle bounce. Let's see here. Yeah, I agree, John. There we go. Back in the saddle. Back to green. Let's see if it can break through that EMA. Nope, bounced on it. Bounced on it. Sniffing it. Up. Should have taken it on the bounce in the EMA. Twice it couldn't get through. Just trying again though. We're up 604 on the day on the Blue Sky competition account. Good morning, Ace. How was the weekend? Mine was good, thank you. Looking for longs and all. Oh, sorry. Let's see. Crude popped up and it's open. Ultra bond bouncing. Dow's looking wonky. ES is going the opposite direction that NQ is. Up, John, to 4. You just asked us their news out of Philly. Harper's back's acting up. Well, they're worried that he might not be able to be a full-time first baseman, which means Schwarber has to go back out into the field. Am I here? Okay, am I back? Can anybody hear me? Hey, I'm Matt. Okay, good. Second time I've lost internet this morning, so it's not a good sign. Yeah, make sure everybody hits the live button to get back to the live broadcast. Nope, no tornadoes. They waited to get to Indiana and Ohio to form. Tomorrow's the first day of spring, and we're supposed to hit 25 degrees tonight. So ES is resting now, G-Man. Hope it has a comfortable bed. By the way, today is National Sloppy Joe Day if anyone needs an idea for dinner. Gold heading down. $15 minutes till the bell. Did a speed test. My upload speed's about half what it should be. Keep an eye on that. Oh, there. NQ new high day, 292. ES up to 52.23 and a half. NQ trying to make a run toward 300. $295. Try hitting the excuse me. Try hitting. Don't know what the issue is today. Everyone else still okay with the broadcast? Pulls back a little bit. Did not get the 300. Got to 296. About 12 minutes to the bell. Our ATR is still only 3. It's a little bit more in the 1 minute, but slower morning. Monday morning, FOMC week. Mind you, folks, we will be having a stream tonight as well. If today's slow, Asia should be even slower, so that should be fun. Oh, wow, look at that drop real quick. Hey, RJ, good morning. I was worried when we didn't see you on Friday. Market's pulling back slightly. 296 down to 282. ES pulls down to 52.22. In the year 52.22. How you feeling, RJ? Yeah, market's trying to push down. Dow's rising a little bit there. Everything okay, RJ? Is it wedding stuff or having to? Uh, Okay. Pulling back here. About a 20-point fall from the top. Nice little pullback here as we head toward the open. Purple candle. Nope, bounced. All right, RJ. Ooh, it's getting a little whippy here. Less than 5 minutes to go. Dow popping up nicely down there. So FOMC is on Wednesday. I'm not sure why it's such a big event. Everyone knows they're not going to do anything with interest rates yet. Popping back up blue. Yep, there's Ace's 2-minute warning. And now we wait. I think my internet's stabilized, which is good. Or maybe not. There we go. Yes. Oops. Pressed that too early. So nice little quick bounce there. And G-Man's in. Whoosh up. Right back down. And right back up. And Q coming down. ES going up. ES pulling back. Nice win there, G-Man. Popping up. Is it going to get to 18,300? There's 298 half. Still falling short. Oh, there, got it. 18,300 is a quick whip. 18,302. ES up to 52.28. Still rising. 323 the high now. Hey, RJ, overnight high didn't hold. Pausing a little bit here. Still going. Nothing outlasting. I should have taken that blue candle. I kind of wigged on it, thinking that we weren't going to continue going higher. We'll continue to go higher. Can it take us higher? Yes, you did. You said oftentimes when you open it high, it goes higher. I read that. Here we go. I got a quick 400 there. It wasn't that showing. Oh, I logged out again. I forgot. It didn't re-log me in on TradingView. Now I got to figure out where the heck I'm logged in at. Ah. Well, it's not there. So anyway, I just got a quick $500 win there on 5 point off that purple candle. So now I got to go. Excuse me while I page through all my charts here. Just trying to figure out what tab I'm logged in on. There it is. That's random. I don't ever log in on this tab. So I got that quick short and it quickly popped right back up. Wow. Another new high day. Oh yeah, now it's previous high day was the 322. We're up to we just got up to 334. You can see it was hanging in this level here on Thursday around 338, 342, 332. So that is an area of resistance. Another purple candle coming down. Yeah, purple went away. More wick than body. Just kind of like more beauty than brains. Looks like it wants to push down here now. Maybe not. Now we got some push. Up. Still trying. It's trying again. So high a day now is 337.5. ES got up to 52.33 3/4. G-Man's going for a high a day smash. And Q makes a slight new high day there and then whips down. 18,339.5. And Q back down to 52. I mean, ES back down to 52.28. Quick drop there on ES. NQ did not follow. Bouncing though. And there's NQ again making another new high by a point, or actually 2 ticks. It's hanging here, trying. There goes another 3 ticks to a new high. Yep, no, there goes even more. There's the run. Now our high is 346 3/4. Gold's been heading down. Russell, big drop. All right. Late on this short. Let's see. It's probably going to bite me. It's really late. Like 5 points late. Ouch. Should have taken the profit there. Went like 10 points based on where I should have got in. Yeah, it did. Here it comes again. Oh. Purple candle. There we go. Ah, really? Oh, wow. So whips back down. Whip my hair. Taking it off. Ended up being a $25 trade. It's probably going to come back down. Yeah, I shouldn't have got out. But, well, we'll see. Should have let it play out. Purple candle. Oh, glad I didn't take that purple candle. Boom, back up. A high of 346. Looks like it's going to make another run for that. Almost 350 now. ES choppy there. 52.30. Could knock it back up to its high of 30. I think it was 33, 32, somewhere around there. Out there. 349 to 343. I should have stayed in, but that's okay. We're up $1,574 on this Blue Sky competition account. Oh yeah, I definitely should have stayed in. Still having that issue of staying in trades, but that's okay. That said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've won 6 out of 7 trades this morning so far. Wow. Yeah, I definitely should have stayed in on that. It's in at 49. It's down to 26. I could have got 20. This trade here that I was in, that I was short on, that was my only loss. I thought I gained 25, but I actually lost 25 on it. That should have been a win too, because I got in late and I should have just got out. I was at $1,500 in profit there, so that was a mistake on my part. Interesting looking candle there. So we're hanging around 332. Our high got up to 361 like 4 minutes ago. So we dropped about 30 points in a minute, in 2 minutes. Struggling to stay about 330. Struggling here. Got down to 324 on this move. It's battling between 334 and 324 and 334. Short. Out. I kind of jumped out there because everything stopped for a second. So I don't know if that was my internet or if it was pausing. I think it. So I got out for an 8-point win there. So 8 times 5, 40 points, $800. We are up $2,346 on this Blue Sky competition account. Now that I didn't even not get one of my signals there. Let's look at that real quick. I remember we came down here and we fought back. We could not continue to get up. I saw it, go red here, and then this candle. I was watching. I said we got down to 24 here, and as soon as I saw it hit 24 here again on this momentum down, is where I jumped in and I wrote it down for 8 points. Now again, both of these recent moves that I've gotten, I could have got more out of. So I'm still something I gotta get better at, but still. Blue candle bounce on the 100 EMA there, and we have a red pool down there. Yeah. Blue candle bounce right back down to a purple. AMA sitting there gives me a little bit of pause though. It's kind of hanging here at 315. So that quickly we go from 360 down to 315. You can see it bouncing. See why I hesitated about taking a trade there. I might still break through. Right now it's bouncing. It would be giving me a heart attack. And having a heart attack on stream would be kind of embarrassing. Yep, there's the break through the EMA. Everybody got really quiet. And there we go. There's the break. Down to 300. Ooh, there we just broke 300. Back to the downside. So we've dropped about 70 points. Fighting with 300 here. Still push. So it's struggling around 300. Can we get a breakthrough? Oops. Well, there's the top of the hour. There was a little bit of news there, but obviously didn't really affect the market that much. US NAHB housing index. Oops. Caused it to pop a little bit. Trying to push right back down. You see I've gotten 3 purple candles out of the last 6 candles, and I haven't taken any of them, and you can see kind of why. It's going green, purple, green. You know, if I'd taken that first one, it came down 8 points at the most. It wasn't like I was going to be able to pick the bottom, though. Be rude to pick my bottom right here on the stream, too. Hope everyone's enjoying the stream today. If you are, I appreciate if you would gore that like button for me. As always, feel free to join us in the chat. Questions, comments, welcome. We'll be streaming tonight, Asia stream, 7 to 9. And we are popping back up here. So glad I didn't take any of those purple candles. I'm reading the market well today, I feel. Just struggling in this area. Can't decide which way it wants to go. The Bulls and the Bears are fighting it out in the ring. Yes, doing a little bit of a bounce here. Gold's bouncing. Crude's trying to bounce too. You'll bounce too if it happened to you. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, that made no sense, but hey. And we're back, I think. Hit your live buttons. This is starting to make me scared to trade. At least they didn't log me out of Tradovate this time. Nice rise back up to 310. Y'all can hear me and see me okay? Ooh, wow, look at that. So that was a nice little pattern you saw there. Up, down, up. You saw this little candle here. Has a great potential to move up. Ah, that sucks. That's why I almost always use market orders. Anytime I try to use a limit order, I end up uh, not getting filled. Goes without me. Back up to 333. Just a quick whip back up. Remember, our high was over here at 361 quarter. No, 361 three quarters. Close enough. Bumping its head on 335 here. Still trying to push up. Little tiny pullback there for 5 points and then right back. And get above 340. Jittery at 342. There we go. There, I saw 44, 45, 46. Nope. Boom. Okay, I just nailed a 10-point trade on Topstep X. Back to needing 240 there. So hit 357, our high 361, 75. Yeah, I can imagine, RJ. Absolutely. You'll get the next one. Morning, Tio. Purple. Ah, looks like it bounced on that EMA. Let's see what it does. Coming back down again. He's the internet outage guy. There we go. Yeah, come on, you want to drop? Nah. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Yeah, my internet's dropped a couple times this morning. Looks like we're gonna give back. Hanging in there though. Let's see. Maybe not. Yep, maybe so. Maybe not. Maybe so. Maybe not. Maybe so. Maybe not. It's using my entry as support. Ah, should have taken it there, I guess. Doesn't want to break through that EMA. Yep. It gave me an opportunity to take a small win, and I didn't take it. No, hold on. Gave me the opportunity again. I didn't take it. Oh, that's right. I don't have a target on this. No wonder. Bad trade management here. I'm going to take a full stop. I could have got out for a round break even each time, like 3 different times. I mean, but I wasn't moving my stop. There we go. Stopped out. How nice of it to slip me by 3 ticks as well. And here it comes back down. Of course. Yep, back down to my entry. And it didn't get back through though. Bouncing again. ES moving up a little nicely there. Fighting around 341. What a battle here, folks. Wow, really a battle here as we get choppy. And bounces. Bounces back up to 351. Again, our high was 361. Chop, chop. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Everybody's so very quiet. Coming back down. All right. And Q doesn't fill him, so he goes to the mistress. Here's NQ trying to come up. Trying and failing. Back up to 356, running for the high. And gets it. Up to 364. Looks like ES is all the way up to 52.39. Q just continuing to run now. Got an oomph. It's got some oomph again. Up to 8,372. Ah, accidentally pressed the button for a short, and I did not mean to do that. It's on the contest account, so maybe I'll get lucky here. Just come on back down for me a little bit. Nope, not going to get lucky. I don't care about the contest account. It's been a test thing for me today, so if I get stopped out here, I don't care. If this had been any account that mattered, I would have immediately got out. I just brushed it as I was going to go. I was going to go check the previous day's highs, not yesterday, not Friday, but like last time we were this high, and I somehow accidentally pressed the short button. There we go. Oh no. Okay. Got out with $100 win, even though it was an accidental trade. So anyway, now go back to doing what I was going to do. Boom, 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 boom. So our high from Thursday was 428 quarter. So we're about 53 points away from there. ES high from Thursday, which is its all-time high, 52.53, so about 15 points away from there. NQ's all-time high, though, was not. Oh, wait, I'm wrong about ES's all-time high. I'm sorry. 52.57. NQ all-time high, 691. I don't think we're going to hit that today. Not sure how I salvaged a win there, but hey, when you're hot, you're hot. High here now, 378. It just broke that again. Still in, RJ? Big drop, 10 points, 15. Nice trade, RJ. Boom. Okay, I just hit another $200 trade on Topstep, which now means, guys, I am $42.60 away from passing this Topstep account. 40. So with commission, figure 45. So I need 10 ticks. Dow makes you take it slow, huh? So let's do this. Give me a second. There's my Topstep X window as we try to get this the last 10 ticks. And as I was doing that, I could have got that. I got it off that purple candle there, but I was setting up the window so everyone could see. I could, if they just had the full range of stuff on Top Step X, I could trade right off of it. I mean, right off of it because it's based on TradingView. But since they don't, I need to have both up. There's a purple candle. Going away, coming back, going away, coming back. Nope. In short, I just need 2.5 points. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Nah. Now I'm going to need more. Darn it. Okay. So that didn't work. Can't believe it wouldn't give me 2.5 freaking points. Trying again. Nope, we're chopping. I'm gonna go backwards again. This last little bit on Topstep has been just eh. Okay, so no, so I'm back to needing 289 after only needing 50. How frustrating. I was trying to force it. Those purple candles weren't good. I had red down here in the RSI. I was trying to force it, thinking I could just get 2.5 points. So it pops back up. That blue candle actually, no, it would not have been a signal, so I didn't miss anything there. Well, now it is. Now that is a valid blue candle. 366. It's no longer a valid blue candle because it's not a blue candle at all. Everyone's so quiet today. It's Monday. Wake up, people. Oh, there's only 10 people here. Yeah, I had some momentum for a couple of weeks there. We were getting back above 20, and now we've lost that momentum. I just got 110 back on Topstep X. Maybe not that much. I thought it was 100. It was only 85. Apparently, I got some slippage. 206 away. I think I got lucky there because it pulled back. Single digits. Wow. Still pushing up now. Blue candle. There, but 17 minutes to go here on the stream. I will get that top step today. Yeah, pulling back. Hey, CVR, how you doing? So I made a couple of missed reads this morning, but overall, I'm really liking trading this 30-second chart. I think it keeps my mind in the game more, and it's been pretty successful. I just need to hold my trades because that one that I took the stop on was bigger than any of my wins, so got to do better at that. Right there, that was a purple candle I should have taken. Oh, wow. So that was a really tiny blue candle that would have worked. Sometimes you're going to miss those on the 30-second or any chart because it like that became a blue candle like with the last second. Ouch. Sorry to hear that, CVR. Yeah, man. Yeah, it does suck. But if you learn from it, then it's just tuition and cheap tuition at that. Just some time and $5. Bouncing. Nice. That's a big number for Apex. So pushing back down. Got up to a new high on the 360. So 20-point drop. Just more trades, or do you have more size on today, John? Need a vacation every week, every other week if you're going to come back to days like that. Nice. That's a winning combination. It's about $1 for every email you need to go through. Great job, RJ. See you tomorrow, my friend. Big drop here. We're dropping like it's hot. How did everybody else do today? We know John's good. We know RJ's good. Excellent. He did. And dropping. Excuse me 1 second. I'm back. Still pushing down. How many more days on that CVR? Oh, good. Choppy here toward the end. So hanging around 350 as we head toward the end of the stream. Little bounce there, but now we've reached the top of the hour. I do want to thank everyone for joining me today. Didn't quite get to go on Topstep yet, but I'm going to continue working on that. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. We'll be back here this evening at 7 Eastern for an evening stream. Till then, see you next time. Bye. Updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.